Yo, I love the idea of being creative on a shoot. You get me? Like, just try something new. And this is something new. This is a handheld fog machine from Lensgo. And yo, when they reach out to me and say, yo, Pedro, we have a handheld fog machine, I'm like, what's that? So when I saw the document about it, I'm like, yo, this is super cool. Right? So let me show you what's in the package, and I'm giving you like a breakdown of most of the stuff them. So let's go. This is the nice case that it comes in. It's very sturdy. Really like how the case feels. So let me just open this case and show you guys what's inside. So this is all you get, right? As you can see, you have different elements. You have you have tubes over this side, and then you have some weird looking stuff over this side. So let me explain all of these weird looking stuff. Okay, so on the left side of the screen, left or right side, this side, you have quite a few tubes. All right, so this is a curved tube. Well, that's the name on the document. This is a curved tube, and then we have another tube right here, but this is a straight tube. Cool. And we have a flexible tube that you can actually use to put in different places if you want. Yes, this is really cool. You have 3 more other items over this side. We have a remote. You know, we can just turn it on. Well, you only use the remote to like trigger it, you know, to like smoke, no smoke. And then you have this shit. Then you have this little sponge thing that you use to, like, you know, soften the smoke when it's coming out. Yo, it's really cool. I'm going to show you everything, how you use everything. And then we have a pressure nozzle. You get me? Okay, so over this side. So let's talk about what's over this side. So firstly, this is a fan. You get me? This is what you use to, like, you know, once you attach the smoke machine on it, you can actually turn on the fan. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. Turn off. So in order for you to charge the fan, you have a Type-C port that's on the side. You get me? So this is the fog machine fluid, right? Each fluids is about 12 ml, right? So this is what you use to, like, you know, put in the fog machine. Yeah. So let me just put this back. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it comes with 5. Yeah, I think it comes with 5. Don't know where the other one is. Been having mad fun with this. And the last thing that I'm taking out is the machine itself. Cool. All right, so this is the machine itself, right? The build quality is plasticky, like really plasticky. So this is what you call the protective housing for the machine, right? So it protects this glass area. Is it glass or plastic? Yes, it's glass area. All right, so this is where you put the fluid in. Cool. So you can screw this. So you can screw this off. Yeah, so this is where you put the fluid in. So you can actually screw it off. As you can see, fluid is already in it, right? So you just lift this, the seal, and then you just, you know, pour the fluid inside of it, and you're good to go. And then you have to also make sure that the fluid is actually sealed inside, you get me, because you don't want it to like spill on the device. Nice and sealed. And then I just put some back the cover on here. So yeah, so this is it. In order for you to charge it, so you have a Type-C port that is right here, right? And then you have a, is it a 1/4 inch? You have a 1/4 inch input that you can actually screw it on a tripod, or, well, you can put it on a tripod or a boom arm, you get me? And then you have a string. What would you call it? A string input, string connection. Yeah, you just can't just drop a string in here if you want to tie it on something. So this is the power button. So in order for it to turn on, you have to press the power button. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then you see a blue light come on. Right? Yeah, you see the blue light comes on. And then for the smoke to come out, so let me just smoke this place up. You just double tap, and then you have smoke. Double tap, and then the smoke is finished. Yeah, so that's basically it as relates to like getting this machine started. This is very easy to use, like super easy to use. We have this tube right here. This is the straight tube, which you can just put on top. So this is the fan. So let me show you how you use the fan, right? So you put the fan on the top, snug down like that, but it's not really snug down tight. As you can see, just like falls off very easy. Put this on and then that's it. So turn on the fan, one press, the fan is on, and then you double tap. This is the curved tube. All right, so basically these type of tubes, they actually can use it to like get in certain spaces that that just require a little curve instead of it being straight, right? So it's basically the same thing. For the straight tube or the curved tube, this is the pressure nozzle. Snug it right in there, and you snug this over there, over this, and then we have this flexible tube, snugged it. Well, yes, it goes there. And with this tube, you can actually put it anywhere you want it to go because of how flexible it is. This onto this. This is what this look like. This actually softens the smoke, and put this onto this. Or inside of a box, it actually just fills up the box like this. Yeah, so it fills up the box. That's so cool. That is so cool. It's still in there. Yo, it's still in there. That's so cool. Yo, this is really nice. I think the battery life lasts a good length. I've been using it. I don't really run it continuously because I really don't need like that much smoke all the time. So I think the battery life for me lasts a good couple of hours. I don't remember, I never really run it so long. It's a 40-watt battery, so it actually works out pretty good. So guys, yeah, this is a good investment if you want to like try some unique stuff in your photography and also your filmmaking career. So yeah, Let me see if I can smoke my way out of here.